Hey guys, so I'm building something. I'm building something of my own here. And I'm giving you right now a sneak peek of what that kind of looks like. Alright, let's get into it. So we sign in. And first of all, we get an overview of all the Virtual projects happening inside the 360 Builder. So we can see, okay, we've got all of these projects over here. We have some settings, so project settings, designer, we can share the project or public, duplicate, delete. And when we get into one of the tools like this one, dun, 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 dun. See? So this right now we are within the 360 editor over here. This is where you can drag and drop panoramas inside to upload multiple. So right now I got entrance, I got two number like here. And below each panorama we have like all these text hotspots. So black text hotspot right over here. You can change the font color, you can change the text. Awesome. We can link the panorama to another panorama. Yeah, let's see. We've got all of these options. I mean, well, not everything works yet completely as it should, but you know, it's a work in progress, and this is just roughly the concept of what I'm like building here. So you can see we can already say visible or invisible. There's animations of the hotspots, as you can see, like poof, it zooms in, like all the small things and stuff I've kind of wanted for quite some time. We can do border radius on the hotspots, all that stuff. This is text hotspot. Now we also got image hotspots, so I can say image hotspot and it creates a new one over there. I can rename this cool image. And I can put in an image over here, so I'll find a logo very quickly. So for now I still need to like do an image URL, but that will very soon be then something where you can just upload an image. But right now I'll do this like this. We got the image over here, and then we can say move this up, and let's say link this to panorama 2 number. So 2 numbers right there. That's the only other panorama left over, so there's not much more to select here. Now I say this one. Now I click on this one and I go to the panorama. So got linking panoramas set. As you can see, I got all of this file information, file size, dimensions, created. Let's see, I think this one, in others it does show actually dimensions, need to figure that out. I have the ability to also add all the GPS locations so that we have all the coordinates of panoramas. We can put all of those on the map, we can link all those things together. There's a lot of crazy cool things with this. Now, this is just the beginning, right? So this is the 360 editor, okay? Then we have the overlay, very similar to the skin in many other Virtual software, but I think overlay makes more sense. And you can see over here we have like a container, right? Let's just delete this for now. So I'll add in a new container. The text color, we can just say red. Or, oh wait, that's the text color. That doesn't make sense, that should be gone. But here, this one, background color red, blue. If you want to do a color code instead, we do that. So like this. And now we got the color code. We got border radius, where I can say 20, maybe 50. Okay, that one I still need to fix. We got padding, so for everything that's within this container, we can add a text hotspot. We can drag this text hotspot inside the container. We can see that let's see the padding. Let's put that to 0. And let's put that in here. Let's see. This one also to 0. Okay, I still need to figure out what that is. Yeah, here the X. This is set to 50 by default. So now we have it in the top left. So, you know, all of these things I'm like putting into place here. We can have transparent backgrounds. We can have blur filters onto this. So this is text overlay. Image file components. We can put in the URL as well over here. Now we have a really big image on top of it. Make that smaller. For now, I'll just remove this. Videos. We can put in the video URL. Let me find something very quickly. Yeah, so video URL, we can copy something from YouTube, for example, put that in here, put up autoplay, and we'll autoplay. So that just works. This is with a video. Now I can do also with a virtual tour. Put this inside here. So even though it's not a video, maybe I should call the website embed instead. Oh wait, this doesn't work, no. Need to actually go to the website embed. Let's remove video component for now. So website embed, and I put in the virtual tour, and now I got like, yeah, a virtual tour embedded in here. So we got, this is like overlay stuff. Then we got the 360 editor. Then we also have project settings. So right now we go over here. We can see all of these stuff like the project name, description, the social media image URL, where you're putting that. Yeah, this is something experimental. Tour passwords to put on your virtual tours, and yeah, some statistics. Now, when we go back and we go to a virtual tour over here, then we can click on export. And then we can say, okay, download, save. And when we get in here, we can open up the zip file. And these files over here, we can just put on FTP and host a virtual tour on our own server, just like that. As well as making an export of the project files, which we can then later on import again into the builder over here. So this is just the beginning of all the ideas that I'm having. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys like a sneak peek of what I'm up to, and just let me know in the comments what you guys think.